Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm so excited to be sharing with you some of my favorite products from this past month. I can't believe it's time for another favorites video. I literally say that in every single favorites video. I love to just sit down and talk to you guys about things that I've truly been loving. I have quite a few things to talk about, so I'm not going to waste any time. Let's just get right into the video. I actually have quite a few Complexion products this month. Also, everything that I'm going to be talking about I'm wearing on my face today, so you can kind of get an idea of how it looks on the skin. Disclaimer as well, if you didn't see my last video, I actually moved. I packed my nail polish. I have no idea where it is right now, so excuse the nails through this video. The first item that I want to mention is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. This is Charlotte Tilbury, so it is not cheap, but I must say I've been really loving this. It is so beautiful underneath foundation. You can also wear it on top of foundation as a really soft, glowy highlighter, but I just love how it kind of smooths out my skin. It comes in different shades, so it's slightly tinted. It actually will even out your skin a little bit, so I feel like I don't have to wear as much foundation over top of this product. I love how the glow shines through my foundation. It's something I've been reaching for so much, and I also love how it wears throughout the day. I feel like sometimes glowy products end up making me look or feel greasy by the end of the day. This allows me to get that really beautiful lit from within kind of glow, and it never makes me look oily at the end of the day, if that makes sense. So I really wanted to mention this because if you're wanting to splurge on something, this is a different kind of product that I feel like you can use in so many different ways. You can mix it with foundations, and I've just been loving it. It has an amazing formula. Next, I wanted to mention the Complexion Rescue Hydrating Foundation Stick from Bare Minerals. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm a huge fan of the Complexion Rescue line. I love the original. This has been something that I've been using for years now. I've been using this product since they launched it. This is the Complexion Rescue Defense, so I like to use this under makeup almost on a daily basis, depending on what sunscreen product I use. I love that. They launched this product. I absolutely love it. I actually did a video where I showed you guys how I apply it and everything like that, so I'll have that link down below if you guys are interested. This is so hydrating though, and it gives you a little bit more coverage than the original Complexion Rescue, which I really like. Again, this is what I'm wearing on my skin. As you can see, the combination of these products make my skin look so dewy, and they also leave my skin feeling really hydrated without looking greasy, which is something that I look for in products. I don't ever want to look oily by the end of the day, but I've been experiencing some extreme dryness in my skin, so these products have really helped kind of bring life back to my face, even if I have really dry patches, which I'm experiencing right now. So this is an awesome product. I love it for really simple, like everyday looks. It's so easy to just draw on your face, blend it out. You can use your fingers. I like to use a brush, but honestly, it's been something that I have been using really frequently this month. I've been loving this. The next product I want to talk about is the Milk Makeup Bronzer. I cannot stop using this. I've been so into cream bronzers, and this is one that's been traveling with me. I made sure to keep it out of the boxes that I packed when I moved because I've just been using it that much. The packaging on this is really fun as well. I love it. I don't have to worry about it breaking in my bag. This is actually the one product that I forgot to wear today. I set my face and was like, dang it, I meant to put that bronzer on. But the video that I posted earlier this week, I show you guys how I use this, so I'll have that link down below if you want to see that as well. The thing I love about this is it's just foolproof. Like, I can use it underneath powders, I can use it on its own and not set the makeup, and it still lasts all day. It blends out beautifully. It never looks orange. I love this. It is so good. It smells like Play-Doh, which is kind of fun in a way. I kind of like it. But I've been getting so much use out of this, and this is a product that I've actually owned for a really long time. Tried it out a little bit. I kind of forgot about it, and then I don't know what made me pull it out again, but I can't stop using it, so I definitely wanted to mention it in today's video. Okay, the next thing, you guys, it's also from Charlotte Tilbury, which again is not cheap. This is something that was sent to me by Charlotte Tilbury, and when I first opened it, I smelled it, and it smelled so bad that I literally was like, no. I think I tried it maybe once, and then I put it away because it has a really strong smell. And then I was watching Nikki Tutorial's, I think, best of 2018 video. I'm pretty sure that's the video that has this in it. And she was like, this powder is a game changer. You have to get past the smell, but it doesn't last on your skin all day, so just get past that and it will change your life. And I was like, okay. I went and grabbed this out of my drawer, I gave it a go, and honestly, you guys, it is so beautiful. It smells crazy. It smells awful at the beginning, but it's true. It doesn't really last on the skin, which is nice. It's the powder that I'm wearing all over the face right now. I actually like to mix this powder in with something that's not as glowy because it's an extremely glowy powder. Also, it's kind of a pricey product, so mixing it in with other powders, I don't know. I've just been doing that. You can can use it by itself. It will just give a very luminous glow, which is a good thing. But hopefully you can see how all over my skin it just looks really, really glowy and dewy, and it's really finely milled, so it works beautifully under the eye area. I'm just really glad that I pulled this out again because it's something that I really wouldn't have reached for if I hadn't watched that video and been like, okay, I need to give this another go. So Charlotte Tilbury is one of my all-time favorite brands. It's something that you do have to save up for in a way, but her products are incredible. I love her aesthetic, and I've been really happy with these two Charlotte Tilbury products this month. Okay, I'm realizing that I splurged a lot this month with products, and this product I had saved on my Sephora loves list. You know how you can do that? Like, you can save products to your loves list. Listen, I saved so many things to that list, and this was on there for the longest time. And I finally, I don't know what made me do this, but I finally was just like, you know what? I'm gonna try this. It's the Dior Backstage Glow palette. It's a highlighting palette. I have a lot of highlighters. It's Dior. To be honest, for what you get, I feel like it's priced pretty well. I think this was $45, so yes, it's high-end. Like, you definitely spend quite a bit buying it, but for Dior and for 4 products, I personally feel like it's been worth it, especially because it's so beautiful, you guys. I use mostly these 3 shades right here. I have used this one before. I have to use it on the eyes. Sometimes I can kind of get away with it over top of bronzer really lightly, but I'm wearing the 3 all over the skin today. I like to apply this one all over the cheeks, then I go in with this one on the high points of the face as well. I like to top my blush with this pink one, but that's what you're seeing on the cheeks. That is this highlight. If you're somebody who likes a really almost blurring highlight, this is something that you have to build up, but you can build it up to be blinding. I personally like something that's gonna look really natural on the skin, and this does that. It is worth every penny in my opinion. I'm so happy I finally bought this. It sits front and center on my desk right here. Definitely one of my all-time favorite things that I've discovered so far this year. I know it's only like 2 months in, but I love that highlighter so much. You guys probably could have guessed that this was going to be in this. This is actually something that I recently purchased. It's the Kylie Cosmetics bronzer in the shade Khaki. Here's what it looks like. She actually came out with an entire range of bronzers. This one is the lightest shade that she came out with, and I'm so happy that I purchased this because I have really fair skin. Sometimes I go heavy-handed with the bronzers, and so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna try something that's a little bit lighter, see how I like it, and this is something that I do have to build up quite a bit on my skin, but I like that because, again, I go heavy-handed. This is the bronzer that I'm wearing all over the face. As you can see, it just looks like it's supposed to be there. I feel like that's the best way for me to describe this. Obviously, if you're not my exact skin tone, they have so many different shades, so you could definitely pick one that would work for your skin tone, but the idea is just owning a bronzer that really works for you. I've never really thought about that. I just kind of buy bronzers here and there, but I've never really thought about trying a lighter bronzer for me just to see how it looks, and I love how natural it looks. It's definitely something I've been grabbing on like a daily basis for more of a natural looking glow. Don't get me wrong, I love a good heavy bronze. You guys know that's like my favorite step in makeup, or one of them, but I'm really happy that I picked this up. I'm really pleasantly surprised with this, and it's been awesome. All right, I have one eye product that I want to share with you, and this was such a surprise to me. This is another one of those products that I've owned for a really long time, and it was a tutorial that I did earlier this month that made me reach for it, and I'm so happy that I did because it is so gorgeous. This is the Thrive Cosmetics Infinity Waterproof Eyeliner, and the shade is Lizzie. This shade is a really beautiful kind of mossy green. I don't know if I can really describe it here. I'll swatch it on my hand so you can see. I'm wearing it as an eyeliner today. There's what it looks like, okay? Can you see that? It's such a cool green color, and when I wear this on my eyes, you guys, just because I think I have this color in my eyes, I feel like it makes my eye color pop really well. It looks beautiful in the waterline. It lasts such a long time. It's unlike any other eyeliner that I own, which I think that's why I wanted to tell you guys about it in this video, because it's something that I feel like you can add to your collection and it's not going to be like any other eyeliner, you know? The formula is amazing on this, and I own so many colors of these Thrive eyeliners, but I just don't know what took me so long to fall in love with this green shade. I think it's so stunning. It's so unique. Isn't that beautiful? I just think it's so pretty. I don't know if you can really see it. Can you see it? If I go close to the camera, I don't know if you can see it through the mascara, but anyways, I've been loving this. Had to mention it in this video. Let's move on to some lip products. Then I have a body product. Then I have an honorable mention, which usually just means that there's a product that I've kind of rediscovered that I've had before. Anyway, let's get into lip products. I recently purchased, this is not a new product to the market. I've heard so many people talk about this, but I just purchased this MAC Subculture lip liner. It's the lip liner that I have all over my lips, and I also also filled in the lips with this. It's like the perfect everyday nude lip liner for me. I love this. Let me swatch it next to the green eyeliner because it's really, really pretty. It's kind of like a pinky nude. There it is right there on my hand. I love this. It's so good. It's so good underneath like clear gloss. I wear it underneath a lot of lipsticks. I love to wear it with my Bobbi Brown Crushed Liquid Lip in the shade Lychee Baby. It is so beautiful with that one. That's like my favorite lip combo right now. So I've been so into that. I'm sure a lot of you guys probably already own this, but I'm late to that bandwagon. Okay, this is like the newest product to me out of this bunch, but I had to mention it here. It's the Flower Beauty Lip Mask in the shade Pucker. Ever since I tried this in that video a little bit ago, I can't stop putting this down. This is what I have all over my lips. It's just so hydrating. I don't know what's going on right now, but my whole face is so dry, including my lips, and this has saved them. I carry this with me everywhere. It's so great to just apply over top of a lip liner. You can wear it on its own. I'm obsessed, and it's Flower Beauty, so it's affordable, and they come in a lot of colors, but for some reason, this one is the one that I've been reaching for a lot, so I definitely wanted to tell you about that. Okay, for this body product, listen, I got a sample of this forever ago, and I think it's because Jaclyn Hill talked about it in a video like a year ago or more. I went to Lush, I got a sample, loved it. I didn't buy the full size, and then I was in the mall for my birthday. We had to like go into town to go to the good mall, you know, there's not a good mall where I live. And they have a Lush, and I went in and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna pick up like a bigger size of this lotion. This is the Lush Sleepy Body Lotion. It's the prettiest lavender color. You guys, I got this for my birthday, so my birthday was on the 18th, and I've already used quite a bit of it. I wear this every night. It is so wonderful. It smells like lavender. It calms me down. I love this stuff. This is the smaller size. They make two sizes. I just thought I would try out the smaller size, see if I get use out of it, and next time, like, I'm totally gonna buy the bigger one because I definitely feel like I'm gonna go through this. But I love to just apply it to my chest before I go to sleep because I can smell it as I'm laying down. It seriously calms me down. It leaves my skin feeling so hydrated. It has a little bit of a glow to it, I feel, so I feel really pretty. When I wake up, my skin is so soft, so it's a really good lotion altogether, but I can't get enough of this. It is so wonderful, and it's been kind of fun to create a little bit of a nighttime routine. I already have like a nighttime routine where I take off my makeup, do my skincare and all that, but it's kind of fun to have something that's really familiar every night where I just apply the same smell and it calms me down, and I love it. It's so good, you guys. Alright, the last product I wanted to talk about is a really simple product, but it's something that I've owned for a while and then forgot about and then recently rediscovered and was like, whoa, this is really awesome. It's the Benefit Highbrow Pencil. This pencil is just a light pink pencil. It comes in two shades. There's the Highbrow and the Highbrow Glow, so you can't even really see it. It's a really, really light pink shade. I actually forgot to apply it to my brows today, which maybe I'll just show you really quickly. I normally just kind of dot it right here underneath the brow. Then I take a brush and I just use that to blend it out and kind of clean up under the brow. And I just feel like the color lifts the brow and cleans it. I normally do this right after I fill in my brows, but again, I forgot today. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I feel like this one just looks a little bit more clean. I'm gonna match it on this side. But yeah, I just feel like it's one of those products that I forgot about, fell in love with again, and I seriously have been using it on like a daily basis. So I knew I needed to mention it in this video. So that's it, you guys. These are the products that I've been really, really loving this month. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. As always, comment down below what you've been loving this month because I love to discover products, and a lot of times you guys comment products that I should try and I end up trying them and end up loving them. So leave your recommendations or tell me what you've been loving in the comments down below. If you're new here, hi, my name is Allie. I would love to have you join the family, and you can do so by hitting the subscribe button. If you're already a subscriber, you can click on the notification bell, and that just means you'll be notified on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays when I upload my videos. Thank you guys for always coming back to my channel, for watching my videos. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye!